Hello everyone. The topic which I am going to deal today is constitutionalism, which I believe is a very vast, ever growing, ever changing topic, and it evolves with time. And again, it is a topic on which every law student should have some idea. I am also in the process of learning and every day learning something new about the topic. So the little knowledge which I have on the topic, I would like to share it with you all. Constitutionalism literally means to demarcate, delimit and define the powers of a government. Constitutionalism is the antithesis of arbitrariness. A government which preaches constitutionalism or a constitution which guarantees constitutionalism is the ever growing and nurturing government or a well defined constitution. There are many countries who have written constitution, but they do not follow the idea of constitutionalism. And there are countries who do not have written constitution, but they do follow the idea of constitutionalism. So in a nominal sense, the term constitutionalism is there to put a check and balance on the functions and the running of the government and other section of the state. There are mainly three organs which make the government: the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. And constitution is there to guide them in their working. So constitutionalism is an idea which protects constitution from getting violated and getting abused by the powers of these organs of the government. Constitutionalism says that a government which follows rule of law, a government which follows equality and a government of democracy will never turn out to be an arbitrator. Constitutionalism protects a state from turning out to be an authoritarian or totalitarian state. Constitutionalism never says that we should always follow rule of law. And why I am saying this? Because there are certain times when the rules or the laws framed and enacted may be discriminatory. So constitutionalism guarantees the laws and the rules to be followed which are non-discriminatory, which are equal and which are non-biased to any particular religion, any particular region or any particular group. This constitutionalism overall is a concept which will help us to grow, to nurture and to excel as a state, as a nation. And moreover, a constitution which follows constitutionalism is the one which has its roots very much strengthened and is something which is and a constitution which follows constitutionalism is not easy to be destroyed by the abuse of the power. The constitutionalism mainly protects the constitution and the ideas of the constitution to be abused by the people who are in the power. It is there to put a check and balance and balance of power between all the organs of the government, and it is there to ensure the proper functioning of a state. Thank you. I think that in this short span of time of 3 minutes, I have tried to throw as much light as possible on the topic of constitutionalism.